Ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, it is the one and only greatness. And I am destined for greatness, and you are destined for greatness too. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for the support on all my videos, man. I could definitely see a huge change in the way my channel is going. So for that, I'm gonna give y'all more videos, man. And speaking of the videos, today's video, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to be teaching you how to place your stop loss and your take profits, or where to place your stop loss and take profit. I know that's something I struggled on, so I'm going to teach you how to do it. We're going to hop on the desktop and I'm going to do that. But before that, ladies and gentlemen, if you want to cop some merch, nobody has copped merch yet from a video. So if you want to cop some of my merch, please go to my website, grtnssbrand.com. Follow me on Instagram, pharaoh.greatness. Get in contact with me, ladies and gentlemen. Ask me questions. I'm here to teach you guys. I'm here, man. I'm just so excited to see my channel growing and for my videos to actually help people, man. So we're gonna hop over there. I'm gonna teach y'all how to do these stop loss and take profits, and y'all gonna retain some knowledge today. You're gonna put some seeds in there. So we're gonna do that in 3, 2, 1. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm here on the desktop, and as usual, the website that I use to indicate, put my stop loss, take profit, hold levels, half levels, everything that I talk about is TradingView. So you want to go to tradingview.com, make a free account. I'll put the link down below so people can start using it if they need. So once again, the pair that I always like to trade, we're gonna look at GU today. And like I said, I'm going to be teaching you where to put your stop loss and your take profits. And pretty much, if you do not know, this is from my last video here, but this red area is your stop loss and this green area is your take profit. Essentially, a stop loss is a number that you give your broker, and once price hits that number that you gave him, that price that you gave him, it is going to automatically stop you out. So if you're going to go somewhere and not look at your trades, or if you don't want to look at your trades all day, you can place a stop loss to protect yourself. You don't want your trade to just blow your whole account. This can protect you from blowing your account, essentially. And a take profit is a price that you give your broker, and once it hits that price, you are going to automatically take your profits for you. A take profit is good for, once again, if you're not going to be home, or if you're going to not look at the chart, because once again, you don't want price to go all the way up here and then come back here and you lose all your money. You don't want my price to do that. So you put a take profit. You should always have both. A real trader is going to have a stop loss and a take profit. So do not think this is something that you can do, but this is something that you should do. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, let's hop straight into it, and I'm going to teach you how to do it. I'm going to be on a 4-hourly chart, and pretty much it ties into all my videos. My stop loss and take profit has to do with market structure. What does that mean? Market structure is how the market is made. Uptrend market structure is higher highs, higher lows. A downtrend market structure is lower lows and lower highs. So ladies and gentlemen, I'll go to the hourly for this example. Let's see here if I can find a good example for you guys. Perfect. So if I was to enter in here on this retest, where would I put my stop loss at? I will put my stop loss below this wick right here, because in order for a downtrend to continue, this is a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. This was the lowest low. So if you get in a market above the lowest low, then you're going to want to make your stop loss the lowest low, because if price breaks below this, then you know the trend has ended. Always put a little cushion on it, so don't put it right up on it like that. You can give it a little cushion for wicks. So boom, just like that. That's how you put a stop loss right there in that case. Perfect. And you look, you were never in drawdown. Price came up, shot up, you never went into drawdown. It didn't even touch your stop loss. So that worked in that case. You wouldn't have been stopped out. Let's look at a sell example. So right here, huge sell, retracement. Let's just say you entered in here right at the whole level and you want to trade it to the half level. Where would you put your stop loss at? Right above this wick right here, because this was the lowest high. This was the lowest high that you had. So price, your stop loss should be above it. So if price breaks through it, the trend has ended. You don't want to be in the trend anyway because it could potentially go the other way. So use market structure as your stop loss and take profits. So this was a uptrend example. Stop loss was below here. This was a downtrend example. You got in here and you put your stop loss above here. Let's look at another example, ladies and gentlemen. It's not hard. It's not hard at all. Bam, right here. Short. If you want to get in right here, where would you put your stop loss? Would you put it here or here? You would put it right here above it. Boom. You're putting it right above. It's a downtrend, so lower highs and lower lows. This was your lower high, so you're gonna put your stop loss. You put it here. You could put it here, but this is extreme. You don't have to go that deep with it. Just use the most recent market structure. So in this case, technically speaking, it's your high, but this gave you some type of retracement too. So you could put it here. It may go back here, but that's why you want to have a stop loss, because you'd rather take a 25 pip loss than it go all the way up here and potentially go here. So that's pretty much how you do it. Now I will give you guys a hack or a trick on the 15 minutes. So you see this 25, 22, and 19, which is not bad. On the 15-minute and the 5-minute charts, you can get more of a sniper entry. And a sniper entry is essentially an entry with a very, very small stop loss. And it's only on the 15 because the 15 and the 5 minutes, so much is happening. It allows you to see more market structure essentially. So let's see here of an example, man. Bam, prime example, right? I would get in here, put my stop loss here. So you see that? See how we have a 7 pip stop loss? Trade it straight to the next level. It's going to hit. You see that? And what am I doing? I'm just putting it above here. The highest, the most recent market structure, the most recent lowest high, excuse me. It's a get a little tongue twisted sometimes. But right here, that's 8 pips. To be safe, you can do 10 pips. You don't got to be spotty with it, but that is just a hack. On the 15 and 5-minute chart, you can get more of a sniper entry. So a 10 pip stop loss didn't even touch. You got in, you had a little retracement here, drop down, get out. Take profits, getting you out. Bam, you win that trade. So, I mean, I hope you guys really understand it. Another thing too, you can use your whole and half levels. So let's just say you're trading, let's see if I can find an example. Something like this. Get in here. I mean, you can really put your stop loss here, but if you want to be safe, put your stop loss above the next half or whole level. I talk about my psychological levels. Put it to the next whole or half level, and put your take profit to the other one, and you should win. This is a 1 RR of 1.6. That's great. You're really protected by using a half or a whole level as your stop loss, because those are major levels. So if you can get past that, you get more entries in. So, I mean, like I said, ladies and gentlemen, I'm trying to get these videos out. That's 3 days in a row for you, guys, ladies and gentlemen. 3 videos back to back to back. It may be another back on tomorrow, but I'm getting more consistent with my videos, man. I see a change, and it's time to do it, man. Believe in yourself like you believe in God, man. If you like this video, ladies and gentlemen, please like, comment, subscribe, comment down below of more videos you want. If you want more detailed videos, talk to me, give me some feedback so I can help better serve my people into your journey of greatness. But with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I am destined for greatness, and you are destined for greatness too. Don't you forget that, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for tuning to the video. Please have a great rest of your day. Peace. I'm just smooth with it, man. I'm just smooth with it.
Instead of us just being like slavery's bad, bad whitey. I mean, why? Let's stop that. And everybody's smart enough to know that. I mean, we've been slighted, and we want